Once you've become familiar with the tool, there are also some keyboard shortcuts that you can use to speed up your work. The first one I will look at is the E button. That's for edit. So instead of having to click this icon when I've hovered above something in the model to edit it, I can just hover and press E, and this window will appear. The next button I want to look at is the A button, which adds an attribute. So if I hover above the anchor, I can either click this one and go down and add attribute like this to add an attribute, or I can just hover and press the A key a few times to add a few attributes. The T button will, depending on what you have selected, but in this case, if I select the anchor, it will add a tie and an anchor. So if I press the T now, you get another anchor and a tie connecting these two anchors. So if I hover there and add some attributes on that anchor as well. We also have the A button again. If I've selected the tie, then it will add an anchor instead. So if I hover there and press the A, another anchor will appear. Let's add a few attributes on that one as well, like that. Then we have some toggling functionality. So for example, these are for attributes. You can toggle if they're historized, and you can toggle if they are knotted, H and K. So let's toggle this one to make it historized, and that one will be historized and knotted, pressing H and K, pressing H, pressing H, pressing K, 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 like that. So now we have a little bit larger model here. So we also have the I button that toggles for the tie which of the roles are part of the identifier and not. So if I hover above this one and press I toggle if this one is part of the identifier or not. Like that. And this is a little bit faster than actually having to go into this context-sensitive menu every time to do the operations. There's a final one, which is connect, which I can use, for example, if this one, if I do a multiple selection and press C in order to connect two of these to the same knot, like that. It's also possible to do with the click of a keyboard button. So that's very briefly the different keyboard buttons that you can use. The shortcuts are E, H, T, H, E, A, T, H, K, I, C.